I will be explaining how to solve number 10 on page 47 of the math textbook. Question reads, Amy needs to make 10 liters of 42% sulfuric acid solution. In the supply room, she finds bottles of 30% sulfuric acid solution and 60% sulfuric acid solution. What volume of each solution should she mix in order to make the 42% solution? So the variables are S, which equals 30% sulfuric acid solution, and A, which equals 6% sulfuric acid solution. The equations are 10 equals S plus A because 10 is the amount that she needs, and S equals the amount of 30% sulfuric acid solution, and A equals the 60% sulfuric acid solution, the amount that she needs in order to equal 10. And the second equation is 42 equals 3S plus 6A because she needs 42% sulfuric acid solution, and 3S equals the amount of 30%, and 6A equals the amount of 60%. So I'm going to rearrange equation 1 so that we know what S is. So 10 equals S plus A, and then you subtract A from both sides, and so you have only S left, so it equals S equals 10 minus A. And then you sub the first equation into the second equation. And now, so the second equation is 42 equals 3S plus 6A. For S, you put in 10 minus A because that is what we got here. So it ends up being 42 equals 30 minus 3A plus 6A. Negative 3A plus 6A equals 3A, so we get 42 equals 30 plus 3A. So that you subtract 30 from both sides, so that you only have 3A on one side. So you get 42 minus 30 equals 30 plus 3A minus 30. 42 minus 30 equals 12. So we want to get A left, so we divide both sides by 3, and we get A equals 4 liters of 30% sulfuric acid solution. And now we have to sub the 4 liters into 1 so that we can get the amount of 60% sulfuric acid solution. The first equation is 10 equals S plus A. If you put 4 in for A, then you get 10 equals S plus 4. We want S by itself, so you subtract 4 from both sides, and the answer is S equals 6 liters of 60% sulfuric acid solution. So therefore, Amy needs 4 liters of 30% sulfuric acid solution and 6 liters of 60% sulfuric acid solution to make 10 liters of 42% sulfuric acid solution.